Nandito kami sa Sir Winston Churchill Provincial Park. This time, nag-camping kami ng 3 days and 2 nights using the group camping. Tapos, may opportunity rin na nakapaglakad kami ng walking trail. Makikita nyo yan sa aking video. Maganda siya at malinis. Natingnan din namin yung mga individual na campsite. Maganda rin at may privacy. Tapos, meron din silang shower doon sa may store area at may amphitheater. Marami kang magagawa dito. Open sila until October. So, ayun. Nag-explore lang kami dito sa Alberta, 1 parks at a time. At in-enjoy lang kung mayroong pagkakataon ang mga nature. Kaya maraming salamat. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, mag-subscribe po kayo para masundan ninyo ang aming mga adventure dito sa Canada. Dius Camping. Naglakad kami at para mag ice fishing. Maaga pa. Ice fishing, tingin lang na nag ice fishing. Sorry. Mag fishing lang pala. Diyos ko Lord. Ano ba yan? Nasa isip ko ice fishing. Hindi man na kayang USA. May water din ang DSA. Ayan. May privacy ka dito. USB, same style. So dito yung may beach area, tapos dito rin ang pwede ka mag-fishing. May toilet din to the left. So, okay naman. Wala pang nakapark na mga sasakyan kasi maaga pa. Hindi pa open na gate for day use.
really funny. I get all the kids eating clover. They're going to go back. Every time they go for a walk with mom and dad, they're going to start eating clover.
Wow, that's a lot of raspberries there, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so much. No one.
Yeah, somebody's been in. Grass is stomped down.
Yeah, there's a lot now. Ay, squirrel! Hey! Hey, squirrel!
Doing a show?
Over there. He's speaking.
Hiding around the stump.
Yeah, yeah, he's hiding.
Yeah.
They have
Yeah.
show.
I wish I had some peanuts.
Yeah, we don't have peanut.
I gotta start bringing some with me now.
Yeah.
Or the almonds.
I don't eat almonds.
And the nutmeg. Oh, they eat nuts.
Ah.
Really?
Ah, because of the... Yeah. There's a squirrel show. Yeah, there's a lot of raspberry.
And then thistle.
Yeah, the thistle.
Scottish thistle.
Yeah, we've learned that thistle thing when we go for a walk. That's dog poop.
No, it's a wild one.
A wild one?
They want the berries and stuff.
Ah. So,
There's coyotes here.
yeah,
So that spit we drive on to get here,
yeah.
part of it's man-made.
Ah, okay. They just make the most of the property now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That like the so maybe people came and visit here.
Well, that doesn't happen naturally, so yes, people came and visited there.
Okay. More raspberry. Well, there's a lot.
You gotta think about it. The birds and animals eat them,
Uh-huh.
then they poop out the seeds.
Ah, then there would be more because no one is harvesting them. They have a free treat. So ito yung sa kapaligiran ng group camping. May walking trail. Ikot ko na muna. So this is a walking. Nag-pick ng raspberry si Bonso. Nandito kami sa walking trail, sinusurvey namin. Ang dami Nga ne, kabihira ka man nakikitaan. Malinis ang kanilang walking trail dito. Well maintained. May nakita kaming dalawang nagbike din. Ayan. Maganda ang ano nila at well maintained. Tapos ayan, sa left side. Ay, hala, ang daming mga ibon. Kaya siguro nauubos ang isda. Ayan o, ang dami. Masarap? Oh, ayan yung mga, ano, tingnan mo, yan silang nakakaubos ng mga isda. Yung mga ibon na yan. Nagfo-food hunting sila. Wow, hinog na ang rose hip. So, sabi ni Mas, pwede daw yan gawing tea. Pwede rin siyang kainin na raw kasi rich in vitamin C. Ito ang rose hip. Maganda rin yung area doon na camping area. So, may dalawang walking trail, Mio, Mixi Trail at saka
Ito yung old growth.
So, ito yung Mio pag straight. So, ano dito tayo sa old growth or na trail?
Ikot lang. Ito yung bibig pa pa.
Hindi mo. Pwede na mga upuan nila.
Kinglet yan.